from 2015. New South Wales Government is expected to have a surplus of $2.1 billion tomorrow morning. That will lower overall debt by about a quarter for New South Wales. New South Wales have increased spending on important core sectors of health, education, security, and infrastructure. Responsible decision-making has meant New South Wales can prosper. She has a conservative government. Responsible decisions have been opposed by the Australian Labor Party. When the ALP were in government, they expanded expenditure but could not balance a budget. A green discussion paper has been released, leaked by the public services to embarrass the government. Discussion is important, and many ideas are presented in green discussion papers that are not present in white policy papers. ALP does not value discussion, and one joke is that one way green papers are made white papers by the ALP is to photocopy them. But conservative governments need public discussion, and one idea on the leaked green paper is that rich people pay for public schooling of their own children. Many wealthy send their children to private schools, so the change would only be subtle. The policy changes would threaten the viability of elite performance public schools. The green paper is federal and has no bearing on state schooling. Meanwhile, in South Australia, a school is being lauded for middle school in years 8 to 10. The idea is to remove the year designations and stream kids through individualized programs. It is a complete waste of time, which makes tremendous demands on staff and parents for no academic reward. It pretends to address individual need, but in fact children at that age prosper in school and class conformity. If the school is traditionally dysfunctional, the problem is not the school structure, but possibly staff and community issues which will not be addressed by the highly lauded change. Reports are coming in that 2 terrorists have renounced their Australian citizenship to fight for ISIS, having been killed in fighting in Mosul. The papers are calling them Australian. The laws say they aren't, or weren't. The Australian Labor Party thinks they should be. The Greens feel their comrades are too.